An external data drive is a great data storage option for us, especially when storing large or important files. However, you must have encountered that your external hard drive stopped working for no reason. This could happen due to various causes: outdated HDD disk, corrupted file system, physical damage, etc. So, we made this video to handle such a problem. When your external hard drive is not responding or detected by your Windows computer, you can run a CMD disk checkup. Step 1. Open the Start menu to find Command Prompt and right-click it to select to run it as administrator. Step 2. Type chkdsk/f. Please note that represents the external hard drive letter that you want to repair. Step 3. Hit Enter to let the checking process run. When it is done, type Exit and hit Enter to finish the process. System File Checker is a tool built in Windows that allows users to scan for corruptions in Windows system files and restore corrupted files. Step 1. Click Start, type Command Prompt or CMD in the search box, right-click Command Prompt, and then select Run as Administrator. Step 2. At the Command Prompt, type fc/scano, and then press Enter. It may be caused by a USB port. You can connect your external hard drive to another USB port, or use this drive on another computer to check if it is not working. If the problem still appears, just check the power management for the USB hub. Step 1. Click Start, input devmit, MC, and Enter. Step 2. Open Device Manager, Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Right-click USB Root Hub, Properties, Power Management. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. The external hard drive is not showing up on your computer? Just try to uninstall or update the drives. Step 1. Click on Start, type devmit and hit Enter. Open Device Manager, expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Check out whether any device shows up as unrecognized. Step 2. If it shows as unrecognized, go to the Drivers tab and uninstall the driver. Step 3. If it doesn't show up, reboot or restart your computer. Step 4. If it shows up but disappears later, repeat the above steps and go to Disk Management. Change the drive letter of your external drive only. If your external hard drive does not show up on your computer, you just need to create a partition for this drive. Click Start, type diskmc in the search box and run this utility as administrator. Right-click the hidden partition, choose Change Drive Letter and Paths, add to give a letter to this partition. You'd better add the original letter for this partition. Sometimes, the hard drive format can also work. Formatting a hard drive will drag your external hard drive to the original state, where everything seems to be new. However, formatting the hard drive will wipe all data on the drive, so you had better back up the data. If you cannot access the hard drive data, just get Format Drive Recovery. Now, let's follow the steps to format your inaccessible external hard drive here. Connect your drive to your computer. Right-click Computer, select Manage, Disk Management. Right-click on the not working drive, Format, set File System and Volume Label to launch a quick format option. Well, not all methods can ensure zero data loss during a repair. Some can even make you lose data. In that case, a powerful data recovery tool like ICSoft Data Recovery is needed for data restoration. Step 1. Download the app to your computer and make sure your external hard drive is connected to your computer. Step 2. This interface displays all of your hard drives. You need to locate and select your external hard drive. After that, click Start Scan to start scanning. Step 3. After the scan result is complete, you can click the data type to view the details on the left window. Check mark and click Recover to save the missing or lost files to your computer. Oomph! That's all for the video. It took us a lot of time to make this video. So, if you think it's helpful, please give us a like and share it with your friends. See you.